This will be quick, very quick video on how you can post or make a post on LinkedIn. So I'm on my account right now, and this is the home page. As you can see, I have some posts here, and all I need to do is click here and write whatever I want to write. Let's say this is a video for a tutorial on how to post on LinkedIn. So that's the text part of it. If I want, I can click here and add photos. I can click here to add videos. I can click here and make an event, a picture and online and stuff. Like I can make an online event or in-person event, and I'll need to add a picture. And I can also do other stuff like celebrate an occasion, share what share that I'm hiring or looking for someone. I can create a poll, I can edit a document, and I can also find an expert. Like I can give a post asking that I'm looking for an expert in, let's say, digital marketing or something. So then I can also click here and schedule it. I can schedule it for any day I want. Here I have to put in the date, and here I have to add the time, and then I'll go back, and if I click here, it will be posted on my profile. So that's how you make a post on LinkedIn. It's super simple, super easy, a lot like just like Facebook or Instagram. Well, a little different than Instagram, but a lot like Facebook. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye bye.